Hey, what's up everyone? In today's workout, we're going to be focusing on upper body push movements and strengthening the posterior chain, which are the muscles running along the back of your body. Now, this workout isn't just about building strength, it's also about balancing that strength with agility and coordination. Whether you're an athlete or someone who just wants to feel fit and strong, having a well-balanced body is key. But here's something I see all the time. People come to the gym with great upper body strength, but they're missing coordination and agility. I've seen this over and over. Strong in certain areas, but stiff and uncoordinated in others, especially in the lower body or back. Think about it. How much time do we spend sitting at the desk, hunched over our computers, and then we hit the gym and focus on the same muscle groups over and over, chest, arms, and shoulders? Sure, we get strong in those areas, but when it's time to move quickly or do more complex lifts, suddenly everything feels out of sync. This is where drills such as agility drills, high knees, lateral shuffles, and box jumps come into play. These moves might look simple, but they help fire up those muscles we often neglect. It's not all about strength, it's about moving well. Have you ever felt stiff or like you're strong but can't move with ease? These drills, they'll change that. We're starting with dumbbell bench presses. This move really hits the chest and arms. The key here is to keep your shoulder blades pulled back and down. This protects your shoulders and make sure you're fully engaging the chest. Focus on slow, controlled movements to really get the most out of each rep. Next up, dumbbell deadlifts. This is one of my favorites for working the posterior chain, your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Keep your back flat and your core tight throughout the movement. Think about hinging at the hips and driving through your heels. If you're feeling it in your lower back, reset and make sure your form is solid. From there, we've got pull-ups. Don't be afraid to use a band or machine for help. What matters is that you're really pulling through your back and getting full range of motion. Focus on squeezing the shoulder blades together at the top of each rep. After that, we're hitting lateral step-ups. This move helps you strengthen your glutes while also working on stability and coordination. Make sure you're stepping through your heel and keeping your core engaged and avoid leaning. You'll see that I'm doing a bit more of a plyo step to where I'm kind of jumping and exploding off of the box. You can do this as well. And if you really want to build some power and strength, definitely maybe add some weight to this. But overall, just be careful and safe. If you have any knee injuries or things like that, this might aggravate it. So make sure to train safely. Next, we've got the classic dumbbell curls. Here I'm doing hammer curls, but I also did a set of standard regular curls. Make sure the elbows stay close to your sides, and we're focusing on controlling both the lift and the lower to fully engage the biceps. Try not to swing the weight, keep it strict. Then we're finishing off with planks. This is all about core stability. Keep a straight line from your shoulders to your heels and make sure to engage your core, glutes, and legs. It might look simple, but it's a total body challenge. Once we've wrapped up the strength portion, we're headed into some cardio for interval training. This is where we alternate between walking and jogging. The walking phase is your recovery, so push yourself during the jogging intervals. You can always adjust the speed to your fitness levels. Just make sure you're giving it your best effort. Finally, you can add a cool down for some static stretching. The focus here is to stretch the lower body, especially the hamstrings, quads, and calves. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds to help those muscles relax and recover. So that's it. This is day one of my new guide, Shred and Strength. I'll leave a link in the description down below. If you like today's workout, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Peace.